Hi, I'm the Lockpicking Cuber, and in today's video I'm going to make a Ukrainian flag out of my 10 by 10 by 10 Rubik's Cube. Here we go. Okay, and that's half of the centers, the blue ones. Now I have to do the yellow centers. Okay, that's all the centers. Now I just have to do these edges and the corners, and then we're going to be done. Alright, that's these edges done. I just have to do these edges and then the corners, and then we're going to be finished. Okay, so that's one now. And there we go. The rest of the cube is in a terrible mess, but here we have a Ukrainian flag made out of a 10 by 10 by 10 Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching.